I've been working with the team over at Larry Jacob for probably about 5 years now on Keep and Membarium, and really just a lot of the day-to-day kind of challenges that come up as being part of a subscription member-based business, and really just have had nothing but great experiences with them. Always on time, always reliable, always deliver, super easy and friendly to work with. Really like saved our butts many times where I've made some big mistake and needed their help in fixing it. Or, most recently we had an issue with a bunch of fraud that was really causing some very significant problems for our business. And in probably, I don't know, a 5 minute conversation, they were able to sort that out for us and really just kind of save the day. So anybody who's considering working with them on Keep or Membarium or, like I said, any of those other kind of things that come up with running a membership business, can't say enough good things about them. And I would very, very highly suggest reaching out to them.